Well, hello friends, I'm driving out to my shooting range and I want to show you one of my favorite deep concealment guns. So let's have a look. Yeah, so I'm here at my shooting range and I brought my micro bug out bag, and within my micro bug out bag is one of my all-time favorite firearms, specifically for deep concealment. Let's have a look. So inside here is a North American Arms folding revolver. And this particular setup is set up for 22 Magnum, but it also comes with a second cylinder that you can convert it to 22 long rifle as well. So let's have a closer look what this thing does. So this gun is completely made out of stainless steel. It has a folding holster for deep concealment. You just put it in your pocket. It's a 5-shot single action revolver, so you have to cock the trigger every time and then you would fire it. The cylinder comes out like so. And currently I have loaded, let me see what's in here. Oh, this is a 22, oh, these are snake shots. So these are 22 snake shots that I use for snakes around my property. I'm glad I checked it, but you can also put 22 long rifle ammunition into this gun. The barrel is 1 7/8 inches. It is not rifled, or if it is rifled, it's very ineffective. So the bullet doesn't spin enough to get stabilized. So as soon as the bullet exits, it starts tumbling. My personal protection setup would be 22 Magnum. It's just another cylinder you can drop in. And in this particular one, I have some 22 Magnum shells. These particular ones have a ballistic tip on it. 5 shots. And you just drop it in, like so. Put the pin back in, and you're in business. For safety reasons, it should be in between 2 rounds, and then it's perfectly safe. Even if you drop it on the hammer, it doesn't discharge. Okay, let's shoot this thing. So I would say the effective range is about 6 feet, maybe 6 to 10 feet. There's no sighting system on this gun at all. There's just a little bump on the front of the barrel, but there's no rear sight, so it's just for aesthetic reasons here. So there's no point in aiming. You can't really aim this at anything. I'm gonna shoot this at a steel target from about 10 feet away, and if I'm lucky, I'm gonna hit this thing. So let's do that. Target is still ringing. I like it. Actually a pretty good, let me bring you around here a little bit, pretty good impact from 10 feet, and again you just pull the hammer back and fire this thing. So North American Arms 22 Magnum. That's all I have for you today, and I'll see you guys on the next one.